How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Brother DCP2420W printer to a Wi-Fi. So the first thing that you want to do is to get a mobile application. Now you can grab this from the official Play Store or the App Store depending on the device that you are using. Now let's open up the application on our mobile devices. Let's then just click skip. I agree. And then inside the application, you simply want to click on the scan printers option that will allow us to simply connect it onto our Brother printer. So it's going to be this menu, click add machine. And since our printer isn't connected to a Wi-Fi yet, you then want to click on connect your machine to a Wi-Fi or a wired LAN. So set up a new machine. And then in here, you have to simply find the number or the serial number of your printer. So in our case, it's going to be the T4220W. And then there's going to be this on-screen instruction depending on your model. So it's extremely simple. You then want to press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the actual printer. And from there, you will be able to find the Wi-Fi on this screen right here. So after finding your printer, just click on it and then you will be able to select a wired connection or a wireless connection. So that's how easy it is. Just make sure to grab the application and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.